Meet the Vivo V9 smartphone, whose stylish design encompasses a range of features that are powered by artificial intelligence AI. From unlocking your phone to making your selfies look even more beautiful, get set to see the application of AI in almost all aspects. What's more, you can capture breathtaking images with the dual rear camera system. You can also watch your favorite media files and chat simultaneously with the help of the split screen feature. FHD Plus display. Enjoy sharp visuals on a 15.51 cm 6.3 screen. With the Full View 2.0 display alongside an FHD Plus resolution of 2280*1080, you get to enjoy awe-inspiring visuals. In addition, it features 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass, offering better grip and durability.